combinations of my two favorite cultures, the hot dog eating culture, which would be Germany, and like the Hispanic influence as well. I feel like this was custom made for me, so here goes.
And this is?
This is the tea option, the taco sauce option with French fried onions and the taco sauce. The creaminess and the tones of cumin and chili powder make this one delectable. The texture adds a crowning jewel to this particular variety. You know, I have to lay all my cards on the table. I'm generally predisposed to not like something with Velveeta on it, having been raised on Velveeta, but I will give this an open mind, being a fan of fresh vegetables. The competition is intense in here. The crunch of a fresh onion is hard to reproduce. The French fried onion wins my heart. I'm going for tea.